what 30 million naira can get you in Abuja or Port Harcourt real estate market. So I'll be giving you 3 options. Let me know which one you prefer to go with. These are real locations, real numbers, real paperwork. At the end of this video, I will tell you my favorite options, and I will also want you to tell me which one you prefer to buy in, or you prefer to buy in the 3 different locations. So let's get right into it. 30 million naira will not get you everything in Abuja or Port Harcourt. You are not going to be getting a fully furnished house in Metama, neither will you be getting in Asokoro or Kisodili. This is what it will get you. It will get you an extremely growth corridor before it becomes a premium address. The first one I have on my list here is HUTU Exclusive Estate before Centenary City, Airport Road, Abuja. The big question is, what would 30 million naira get you in HUTU Exclusive Estate before Centenary City, Airport Road, Abuja? 27 million naira can get you 500 square meters within 6-month payment plan in this estate. Then if you decide to spread this for 12 months, that means you'll be paying the 30 million naira. But then if you decide you don't want to buy a land, that you prefer to buy a house in our estate, we have off-plan options available in this estate, and 30 million naira can serve as initial deposits for a 3-bedroom apartment that's going to sell in for 152.4 million naira. And we also have a very flexible payment plan options for you. Now from the videos, you can see that this is a well-planned estate with a well-structured development plan, and this development are ongoing. It's not like they will bring development. So this is not just promising, this is what we are doing. This estate is well positioned. It's located before Centenary City, Airport Road, Abuja, and the amenities that are in this estate, they are mouth-watering. It's coming with golf course, we have a basketball pitch, we have a swimming pool, we have hotels, facilities, we have beautiful documents in this estate. We have CFO and we have FCDA. Now for those of you that have already been buying in Abuja, you know that when you are buying any property in Abuja, it's safer to buy property that is FCDA approved, that is Federal Capital Development Authority. These are the bodies that are in charge of the planning of the entire city. These estates have already been well thought out for you. Documents check, development check, documentation check, infrastructure check. So it's a very good place to buy in. Just also add, we have lesser square meter available for lesser price, 150 square meter for 8.2 million naira, and every other details we put in the description of this video. I also want you to know that this is not random buying. This is you positioning yourself. So if you know Airport Road very well and are very familiar with the area before Centenary City, we know that this is not just buying of land. This is you positioning yourself to be among the address in Abuja City. Whether you are buying for capital acquisition, that is your 500 square meters that you bought for 27 million naira, and imagine you reselling it after 2 years or 3 years for a whole lot. Or you probably opt for the off-plan houses options that we have, and you decide to rent it out. You already know the rental market in Abuja is really good. You can ask people around in Abuja, they'll tell you how much 3-bedroom apartment costs for 1 year. Not to mention in this kind of estate that is well positioned with beautiful infrastructure and everything in place. This is a big deal for you. This property is ideal for you diasporans who are not in Nigeria but you want to invest in the Abuja market. This property is perfect for you. And if you are also a very busy professional and you want to get a house in Abuja but you don't have all the time to go through all the foundation, the decking phase and all that, the off-plan option is perfect for you. But hey, I was saying the downside of investing in this estate. If you want to buy a house that you want to move into immediately, then this estate is not an option for you. These are not fully built houses that are ready for you to move in. These are off-plan options. That means you have to wait for at least 12 months before we deliver your house to you. My second option to you is City View Estate. This is located at HUTU train station, Gusa District. This estate has a CFO and is also FCDA approved. So the question is, what will 30 million naira get you in City View Estate, HUTU train station, Gusa District? Exactly 30 million naira will be get you 500 square meter piece of land here in City View Estate. Now this is available for outright payment. So if you decide to want to spread your payment for 6 months, then it's 31 million naira. If you want to spread it for 12 months, 32 million naira. Like I said earlier, this estate has a C of O and is FCDA approved. And for our off-plan building options for City View Estate, they are coming up. We're still working on the pricing and all that. When the price comes up, I will definitely let you know on time. If you are looking to invest in the Gusa district, that is the HUTU train station axis, City View Estate is a very beautiful estate for you. It has a C of O, FCDA approved, the roads are being tiled, the street lights, everything, basketball pitch, everything that an estate needs to function properly is already in the estate. Why would you want to put your money in here? Now, first of all, your money is secure. Like I said, the land has a C of O and is FCDA approved. This estate is also properly located at HUTU train station, Gusa district, and we also have beautiful amenities coming to this estate, which of course will also help to improve the value of your land in our estate. So it's a very perfect option for you if you are considering investing in the HUTU train station assets. The last property option I have for you is in Port Harcourt. That is the famous banana island of Port Harcourt. So this one is located at Transwoji. If you are probably investing in Titodili, this is the best bet for you, and it's just about 3 minutes drive to Odili Road. Banana Island of Port Harcourt is an emerging location. The bridge connecting the road has already been done. The government have visited this area like twice already because they are very interested in the road construction in that axis. So this is a very good buy. A lot of estates are springing up in this asset, and currently the least you can get there is 30 million naira per plot. So if you're interested in this assets, this is for you. If you miss Pitodili, this might be your only opportunity to get a land that's close. So 30 million naira will get you 465 square meters at Banana Island, Transwoji, Port Harcourt City. If you have been wanting to invest in Port Harcourt market, this is an opportunity to you, especially if you missed investing in Pitodili. And here is the truth you need to know about this location. I'll always tell you the truth. It's an emerging location. However, you can't build and move in immediately. For at least 2 years, it should be very stable. So let's recap together before I tell you my personal pick. The first option I gave you is HUTU Exclusive Estate before Centenary City, Abuja, Airport Road. We have land and upland houses available here for sale. The second option is City View Estate located at HUTU train station, Gusa district. We have land available for sale, and we're currently working on our upland houses. The prices will soon be available for the general public. Third option I gave is at Port Harcourt City. That is Banana Island of Port Harcourt, located at Transwoji. It's about 3 minutes drive from Pitodili. We have land available for sale here and off-plan houses available for sale. So what is my pick from these 3 options I gave you? Let me be honest with you, it's difficult for me to really make a choice because I brought the 3 estates I really love to you. It's difficult for me to pick one, right? So if your vibe is the airport axis, HUTU Exclusive. If your vibe is the HUTU train section as that is the Gusa district, City View Estate. Then if your vibe is Port Harcourt City, Banana Island at Transwoji is perfect for you. Honestly, I would love to buy from all the estates because these are really great locations. Airport Road, HUTU train station, come on. And then the one in Port Harcourt, that's Transwoji. So which one will you pick? Or you are like me that you prefer to buy from all the estates? The truth is that you can decide to buy from the 3 estate options I gave you. If you have the financial capacity to do that, please do. Because this is you positioning your money in strategic areas in Abuja and also in Port Harcourt City. So you can decide to go for the 3. You can buy land, you can buy a house, whichever, perfect. So let's make it more easy for ourselves. If you are going for HUTU Exclusive, just send me a WhatsApp message with the description HUTU. If you are going for City View Estate, send me a WhatsApp message with the description City View. If you are going for Banana Island in Port Harcourt, send me a WhatsApp message with the description Banana Island. Then if you are not sure what you want to go for but you know you want to invest, just send me not sure and I will understand. So I will just call you and then we'll have a call conversation so I can get to understand your property goals or your real estate goal is, so I can recommend the one that suits your need perfectly. If you want to get it through, send me a WhatsApp message with the description all. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm Lady Real Estate. Bye.